Give me a run for my money. There is nobody, no one that run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely, living lovely.
Up outside of magic, low when I'm ripping the plastic, low when I'm popping the elastic. 777 on the deck, and you never hear nobody from nasty. Georgia P.
Hey guys, it is your girl Kyla and I'm here showing you guys how I did my miracle knots. So of course, to start out, you are going to want to section your hair into parts. I of course did that off camera because I have a million videos on my channel showing you guys how I part my hair. Obviously they are not perfect, but they got the job done. So I went ahead and put some foaming mousse on my parts just to get them nice and crisp and get rid of all those flyaways, and then I wrapped it up, put my bonnet on, and we're going to continue this process tomorrow. The hair provided for me for my miracle knots was from Love Me Hair. They sent me over 4 packs of their Burmese curly crochet hair, and y'all, I'm not gonna lie, this hair is amazing. If you need any recommendations, this is the 20-inch, and you guys already saw how it looks, so it looks bomb. Make sure you guys shop with them. So to start out, I'm going to take one piece of the crochet hair and I'm going to add it to the end of my braid. And what I mean by that is I'm going to braid the crochet hair into my natural hair. This is going to give the look of one cohesive braid, and it's just going to have a nice curly end to it. I'm going to repeat that process, but I'm going to show you guys what it looks like up close. So the hair is pre-feathered, which means it already has a section where you can add the hair in. So I'm just going to take my natural hair, and as I continue to braid down, I'm just going to add the crochet pieces in. So this is what the hair is going to look like once you're done adding the pieces to all of the braids. And it actually was kind of cute, but of course we're going to finish it off by adding in the crochet pieces to the top of my head as well. I could already tell that this style was going to be super versatile because the way this was looking already was giving very cutesy, very much protective style. Let's get into the rest. So this was with about 1 pack used, and I'm going to show you guys up close how I crochet the hair in. So you're going to open up the latch and you're going to add the piece of the crochet hair in and then close the latch. You're going to pull that hair through, but not all the way. And you're going to make a loop with what you just pulled through, and you're going to pull only one of the strands through the loop. That is going to secure your hair and give it the miracle knot effect. So I'm going to show you guys up a little bit closer. So we're going to put the crochet needle through, add the hair, close the latch, and pull the hair through. With that opening, you're going to pull one, and that's what's going to secure your hair. And that's pretty much it, you guys. It was super simple, and this was about 3/4 of my head done, and I could already tell y'all I was getting excited because this is going to look so cute. So again, up close, crochet, add the hair, pull through, and with that loop, you're going to pull one piece, and boom, that's your miracle knot. I did add a few pieces to the base of my braids as well because I wanted it to look very curly, as if this was my natural hair. I'm just going to continue to show you guys the same process just so you guys get it down. And when you get to the end, this is what your finished product is going to look like, y'all. When I tell you this hair was so full, and I didn't even use all 4 packs of the hair, y'all. Like the thickness of this hair and the texture, it was giving. But let's get into these edges, y'all, because I'm tired of them looking crazy. So we're just gonna swoop these guys on over. Much, much better. So I like to tie my edges down while I style my hair just to make sure that the product in the water doesn't mess them up. But let's get into the styling because I know y'all are waiting to see what the finished product looks like. I just realized I have not spoken in this whole video. But I just finished the miracle knots. I just finished adding all the hair and everything, and I just finished doing my edges. So this is how the hair is looking it's pretty big. I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty big, and it's also pretty dark. But I can't dye the hair yet. I was told to do content in its original color, its original state, so I'm not gonna dye it until a little bit down the line. But the hair is very full. I didn't even use 4 full packs. I still have all this hair left from the 4th pack, so I only used about 3.5, honestly. Yeah, this is pretty full, but my head is a little small. I did add 3 strands to every braid, so take that how you want it. But I'm going to define the curls. I'm gonna let it air dry, or I might diffuse it, I'm gonna see. But I'll come back with the finished look. So this is what the hair looks like fully dried, of course, but we're gonna go in and add a little bit of styling. So I took my spray bottle and I wet the entire head of my hair. And I went in with my Denman brush to really define the curls, y'all. Since installing this hair, I have noticed that a Denman brush is going to be the best for detangling and styling at the same time. The curls are already so juicy, but the Denman brush really, really defines them. Like, look at those curls, y'all. Period. And y'all, this is what the curls look like with no product in it. So I can only imagine what some curling cream or some gel would do to them. But let's get to the other side. I could already tell that this hair was very, very easy to manage, and I had very minimal shedding. Like, I'm so obsessed with these curls, y'all. I know that Burmese curly is like the new trending hair texture, but y'all, get into these curls for real. So this is what my hair looks like wet and styled with my Denman brush. And this is what it looks like fully dried. And this was a cute little hairstyle that I tried out. It was just 2 little pigtails. I just thought it was so cutesy. I just love a cute little girl la style. So this is what the hair looks like fully dried, and as you guys can tell, it is super, super thick, which is what I really wanted, so I'm very excited. This is me just styling the hair in a few different ways. This was a middle part, and y'all, it was giving. I just love how natural this hair looks. Like, if you don't really see the braids for real, you would think that this is coming out of my scalp. And I just love that. The versatility of this hair is everything. You can do it half up, half down. You can pull it all the way up in a ponytail. You can pretty much do whatever you want. But that's the end of this video. I want to say thank you to Love Me Hair for sending me this beautiful Burmese curly hair. And I want to say thank you guys for watching till the end. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.